To hide comments from friends on Facebook, you have a few options depending on whether the comments is on your own post or someone else's post. Here's how you can do it. Hiding comments on your own posts. Tap and hold on the comment you want to hide. At the bottom of the screen, select the Hide option. This will hide the comments from all of your friends. Hiding your own comments on others' posts. Unfortunately, Facebook does not provide an option to hide your comments on other posts from your friends. Your best option here is to delete the comments if you don't want your friend to see it. Alternatively, if the post is in a private group that not all of your friends are members of, only members of the group will be able to see your comment. Remember, if you ever change your mind and want to unhide comments, you can simply tap on hold on it again and select the unhide option. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.